Hopefully everybody's doing well. Today we are doing a little bit something different. Obviously, in all travel videos, the traveler eventually has to go back to its home base or home or off. And in this instance, we're going to talk about the main tool that I use when I am coming home from a traveling excursion. If you're interested in finding out my major tool, stay tuned. My desk is my main tool when it comes to home office, and you will definitely agree with me, because without this it's hard to be creative. Yes, can you do it on the kitchen sink, on the floor? I do have a full-time job, and that circulates around a very stable foundation or a very stable platform where I can do most of my work, including conference calls, emails, research, and programming on the back end. Let's talk about it. This is a Husky workstation, and you're probably wondering, why would you use a Workbench as a workstation? Well, if you can see, the wood is fabulous. It's probably one of the best workbenches that I've ever seen on the market that's affordable. And number two, it has the ability to go up and down just simply by cranking. Yes, there are others that have an electronic way to raise and lower the top, but they don't have this fine material, this wood, and it's not a thin piece of wood. This is a heavy-duty tabletop. So how do we go from this to this? Please be very careful in using power tools. They're very dangerous. You can get hurt very easily. And I always recommend wearing gloves. I'm doing this by myself, but I always recommend, and it's very, very heavy, so be very careful. All I did was I basically extended the tabletop to include this additional platform. This structure here, all this is doing is just supporting the weight of this. Previously, I had this hanging down from here, and this was actually underneath here. When I would sit here and cross my legs, that board was right here, and I would kick it accidentally, and the Mac Mini and my work laptop would go poop. This is a Logitech keyboard, which I just came across it. If you notice there are 3 buttons. So now what I have is I have it configured that one is for my main PC. Number 3, I will change the setting so that this is HDMI. So now you could see I have Windows 10 on this side and I have my Mac Mini on this side here, and this has now become my main work computer only. And since my Mac is right there, I can do personal stuff. I do have my work cell phone right there, right smack in my face, just in case somebody calls. And again, this keyboard is so cool because it does not have to sit flat on the tabletop. And then on this side I have this Belkin charger. It's charging my Apple Watch, my AirPods here, and also my personal iPhone, which is right there, and it's all hooked up. But also, if I need to charge my work phone, I didn't know this was just by accident. If you lay it there, it will actually charge also. And then, so I got my keyboard here for my Mac, I got my keyboard for my Windows, and then I have my Jabra. This is really great for conference calls and things like that. You should also have a webcam. That's a generic webcam, but it from behind, so this is kind of behind the curtains. There's my work PC. That's my backup drives, 2 terabytes each. Again, they are redundant. Anytime that I do a video, all of that is backed up. And then right back there is my Mac Mini. Hopefully you got something out of my video today. Hopefully this was at least enlightening to you. If these kind of videos that you like to view and listen to, I suggest subscribing. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. This is Nestor with Group 3. Hopefully you're doing well. I look forward to seeing you in your videos. Take care and have a good day.